Welcome all to this incredible day of support and celebration for the young writers of 2025's Year of Novella.
Year of Poetry and Year of the Novella run for an entire year. Young people come once a week to our Parramatta Centre and they write and publish their very own book.
I hope you can read between the lines like we don't know how to write. Born surrounded by vultures trying to steal cultures, a lordless land sinking quicksand.
It's not the book, but the thing that made the book possible, which is the fact that each and every one of you young writers has found and used your voice.
Because you get to meet authors, up-and-coming writers, and they just become a part of your close circle.
I made a lot of friendships through this program. I was able to talk to them, gave each other feedback, a lot of tips, helped each other improve our writing.
I formed connections with people and I really got to understand them through the way they wrote and the content of their poems. And I think that shaped me as a person rather than just a poet.
And they helped me improve my writing and improve my confidence as well.
His hands firmly gripping the ivory crow's head that topped his cane. The air grew cold, stiff and heavy.
Since doing the Story Factory, my daughter's just sort of more confident in who she is and what she has to say. It's pretty nice as a parent to see them find their voice like that.
I can't really comprehend the fact that I've just gotten an entire book published.
Today you become a published author, and that achievement will stay with you for the rest of your life.